Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this look. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. Alright y'all, so I already primed and moisturized my face off cam. So applying my foundation. The foundation I'm going to use today is from Makeup Forever HD, and I am on shade Y24. So for my concealer, I will be using this concealer from MAC, and I am on shade NC35. To set my concealer, I will be using the Kat Von D translucent powder. Yes, sing it, girl. But anyways, moving on to my eyes, I will be using this palette from Voss. It's called Creme Brule. I will be applying this light orange shade as my base. So grabbing a concealer, I wanted to do a cut crease look. So this is like my little technique on how I do it. So when I bought these palettes, it actually came with 3 more palettes. I bought them in BeautyCon New York this year when I went, and I am actually now just unboxing it, and it's my first time trying it. Taking the gold glitter shade from the Creme Brulee palette, I will be applying that on my lid on top of the concealer. Just like what I told you guys a while ago, the Creme Brulee palette came with 3 other palettes, so I'm going to use one of them, and it's called Berry Burst. And I'm gonna take this dark brown shade, and I'm going to be applying it on my crease. Moving on to my eyeliner, I am going to be using the Lash Paradise eyeliner from Loreal.
One, two, heroes falling, I'm still calling. Heroes falling, heroes falling, I'm still calling.
So moving on to my bronzer, I will be using this bronzer from Anastasia. I forgot what's the shade called, but I will definitely put it down on the description box.
Heroes falling, I'm still calling. Heroes falling,
grabbing the translucent powder again, I'll be applying that underneath my bronzer just so it will carve my cheekbones out. So while I'm waiting for the translucent powder to set, moving on to my eyelashes. I believe this is from Huda Beauty. I forgot what's it called, but like I said, I will definitely put the full description down below.
I'm still calling, heroes falling, heroes falling.
Grabbing a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend everything out until I don't see any more harsh line. So for my waterline, I'm going to be applying the dark brown shade from the Berry Burst palette. For my highlighter, I will be using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. So for my lips, I'm going to be using this nude shade from NYX. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys like it. If you guys do like it, please hit the like button. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I have nothing else to say except thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
They call me Mr. Tibbs.
Yeah. 1, 2, heroes falling. I'm still calling. Heroes